The SPINN SWIFT-LOCK camera carrying system gives you a whole new level of freedom when handling, carrying, and shooting with your camera. The system offers you decisive advantages compared to any other way of camera handling. It now consists of two parts. It offers you a unique magnetic locking mechanism connecting your camera securely to the camera strap. You can detach your camera from the strap in no time at all by sliding the base plate's locking bar. Switching to a tripod or another camera is easier and safer than ever before. Changing the battery or even just putting the camera aside for a moment is easy. No fiddling with the strap anymore. The SWIFT-LOCK shifts your camera's center of gravity from top to bottom, so the camera rests firmly with its entire surface against your body. Extremely comfortable and safe, as the camera no longer wobbles and disturbs you when walking, standing, bending down, or even cycling. Grabbing the camera is now more intuitive and faster than ever before. The SWIFT-LOCK allows you to reach all camera controls more quickly without having the strap in front of your eyes or between your fingers.
Today, I'm happy to show you the SPINN SWIFT-LOCK camera carrying system. The SWIFT-LOCK is a two-part system, consisting of the quick release plate and the base plate with its magnetic locking mechanism. The SWIFT-LOCK base plate offers you a secure connection to your strap in seconds with its magnetic catch. The plate rounds off the design of your camera at the bottom and adapts perfectly to your body with its smooth base. The quick release plate is designed according to the ARCA standard and thus serves the world's most widely spread proper connection. Thanks to the diagonal screw slot, the plate can be adjusted perfectly to your camera. Both assembly and disassembly are incredibly quick. Switching to a tripod takes seconds and the camera strap is no longer in your way. The SWIFT-LOCK shifts the center of gravity from the top to the bottom of the camera. This means the entire surface of the camera can rest firmly against your body, without wobbling around when you walk. Even cycling or climbing is a cinch with the SWIFT-LOCK. Your camera strap fits close to your body and no longer gets in the way when handling your camera or viewing pictures on your display. You have full access to all controls, with the strap no longer in your way. Reaching for your camera is intuitive and faster than ever before.
The position of the strap at the bottom of the camera, together with a wide strap base of the SPINN camera plates, fundamentally changes the way you carry your camera and shoot. This gives you a whole new feeling when working.
If you don't want to use your camera, just slide on your back, and you can do everything without it getting on your nerves or hitting anything. The SPINN SWIFT-LOCK system is compatible with all Peak Design products. This means, for example, that changing your camera from PD capture to SWIFT-LOCK is easy. Whether you use the SWIFT-LOCK quick release plate or PD standard plate, everything works together seamlessly. It is also possible to use Peak Design anchor links. Of course, you can use straps of other manufacturers. The easy length adjustability of the SPINN camera strap allows you to quickly change into different carrying modes or to all kinds of clothes you wear, in winter as well as in summer. The rounded edges of the carbon fiber adjusters make the strap so light and functional that you can easily wrap it around your camera without scratching or damaging it. With a SPINN strap, you can just put your camera in your camera bag or your everyday backpack without worrying about your valuable equipment.
The SPINN SWIFT-LOCK makes taking pictures a cinch. Handling your camera in all various situations becomes incredibly easy. You can finally concentrate completely on your motive, because your camera lies on your body as a matter of course, without you noticing it. But you're still ready to take your picture. In every single moment. In less than a second.